Trash truck on fire. This is the first. Oh shit. Trash truck on fire. They scrambling. Oh, they coming out with all the fire equipment. Oh man. Trash truck on fire. But it's sure on fire. They gotta call the fire department now. Oh my God. They can't get up there to put it out. You can't climb up there. Trash truck on fire. You're seeing this live. Fire truck gonna have to, fire department gonna have to get here. He can't get up there. Oh shit, this ain't good. This is not good at all. You had to take it out of the garage over there. Cause you had to take it out of there. Cause he just set all that on fire. I'm empty. Shit. Trash truck on fire. It's dirty trucking. Dirty trucking waiting here to get loaded and just happen to see some action. Back to the truck. Shit. Trash truck on fire. Oh my God. God, they can't get up there to get it out. He don't know what to do. Shit. He felt so dumb. He come through here and water the truck on fire with some leaves. This is dirty truck and I'm waiting to get loaded and just happen to see some live action here. This is the trash truck on fire and they are scrambling down here. They can't get up there to get it out. They're gonna have to call the fire department because he can't climb up there. It's on fire. Something in there smoking. I don't know what the hell. That's why he said you can't light those cigarettes around this stuff. I don't know who did what to do that. They scrambling. And bulldogs get out the way. They don't smoke. Can't smoke around this trash. They can't get up there. You got to call the fire department. that bottled water did a little smoking, but it ain't out. I don't know what the hell up there. So hope anybody toss a cigarette. What do you do? Toss a cigarette? Trash truck on fire. Over here waiting to get loaded. And this happened. They running, they scrambling. Shit, he gonna try to climb up there. Oh my God. The hell, what the? You got to get the fire department. Water hose, something. Look at that, this truck's still coming in next to the, but what? Something smothering it, it's smothering it. Looks like that bottle, little small bottle of water they threw up there, smothering something. Uh-oh, I hear the fire department. Smothering. It's getting dark now. You better run. You better get that shit out of here. Oh shit. This ain't good. Trash truck on fire at the yard. Glad he got it away from the pit. This is where all the main trash is over here. It was right up there. If that shit had caught on fire, this whole place would have went. Dirty Trucking got some live action. Trash truck on fire. You seen it live. Trying to put it out. There you go. I don't think that's gonna get it. It's over in the trash, whatever it is. Oh shit. It's in the trash. What is it? You got to call the fire department. They better hurry up. Oh shit. I see the fire is blazing. Oh my God. I see the fire. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's fucking shit. I gotta get the hell out of here. Oh shit. They tried to, but he can't. He threw a bottle of water up there and then used the fire hose. It's too much. It ain't gonna get it. He can't get up there to smother it. Yeah. Shit, I see the flame coming up now. We gotta go. We better call the fire department. Shit, this thing might blow up. Shit, get my ass in this damn truck. Shit. Oh shit. Oh, this shit on fire. Oh my God. I don't know how this happened. This shit on fire. Trash truck on fire. Waiting to get loaded. Oh shit. Oh my God. See flames. There it is. Golly. They tried to put it out. This shit. Oh my God. Well, I'm finna ease back in my truck. I just want the phone moving. Oh shit. Better call the fire department. Oh, here comes the fire department. Fire department. Come to rescue. It's dirty trucking. You got some live action. Here come the rescue. Shit. Hurry up and put this sucker out. Detroit Fire Department just arrived on the scene. Detroit Fire Department just arrived on the scene. This ain't no movie, this is live, this is dirty trucking. You're watching the fire about to be put out. I don't know how the truck caught on fire, but they couldn't put it out, so we had to call the fire department. It sure take a long time to get off this fire truck now. Do I need to move? Oh shit, damn, flame is falling. Shit, oh shit, the truck is burning apart. Better hurry and put that shit out. Oh, the shit that fell on the ground. Look at it, the shit falling on the ground, the side of the truck burning. Oh shit, come on fire department, what y'all doing? Fire department. I don't know, you sure take your own sweet time here. Oh, it's about to rain. I feel rain droplet on the head. That might help. That's why they say don't smoke around these trash trucks. You cannot smoke around these trash trucks. No fire, nothing. This stuff will light up like a Christmas tree. Can't smoke around them. I don't know what was over in it that caused that. Something must have been lit. Or I hope didn't nobody throw a cigarette over in it or a cigarette was in it. About to get the hose on it now. About to get the hose on it. No, they're moving off slow now. This thing, you know, that thing do have a fuel tank. It sure taking an awful long time to get this water on it. There you go. Put it out. Alright, the fire department to the rescue. Fire department to the rescue. Trash truck on fire. Now, that truck ain't no more good. Dirty truck and got that live trash action for you. This is that landfill stuff, but this is the trash they're bringing in that we get and take to the landfill. I don't know how the truck caught on fire. Detroit Fire Department on the scene. Yeah. Oh, they got it out, it's smothering, Going up there to see what happened. Assess what caused this situation. Hoping that little idiot tossed no cigarette over there. Something was lit up in there. Oh no, he's going up there to make sure he smother it out. They say don't smoke around this stuff. When you see these trucks, you can't be smoking. You can't be smoking, throwing nothing lit, no nothing with no fire around these trucks. This is hauling nothing but pure trash, shit that will light up like poof. I don't know what was in it, but I know he can't dump this over in the thing now until that stuff cool all the way off. Is he finna get over in it? He can get over there. He go over there. He gonna sink down. Need to open the back door of it up. Need to open that back door of it up. Let's raise the door up. Raise the door up so they can see what's in it. There you go, opening. Let all that trash fall out, find out what happened. Y'all, close up. Oh, there it is, there the fire. Oh my God, there it is. Somebody threw something in. It was up top. Somebody had to throw something in there. Cigarette or something. Yeah, it was parked up there. I looked up, it was smoking. They tried to put it out. They couldn't put it out. And he hauled tail and pulled it down there, and then it started blazing. Man. They threw a water bottle up there. It didn't do nothing. Tried to use the extinguisher. They couldn't get up there. They had to call the fire department. I don't know what happened. I just looked up. It was smoking. It was parked right up there by that white truck. Yeah. And he had to get it from up there, because if that had caught on fire, this place burned down. Oh, hell yeah. All that trash. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I don't know how it caught on fire. Man. Hope ain't nobody was dumb enough to throw no cigarette in. What happened? Somebody threw a cigarette in it? Somebody must have did shit. Damn, somebody must do something. It hit a bridge. Maybe it sparked and caused it. It hit something in there? Oh. That's why they was working on it. Okay. Damn. I'm finna say, I thought it hit a bridge here, then I said maybe. Yeah, I said maybe the metal sparked and might have caught the trash on fire, but that ain't it. Shit, he was hauling ass. He hurried up and got up there. Shit, he flew past me so quick. You missed all the action loading. You missed all the action. They opened that back, that flame was in there. I don't know how that thing caught on fire. I just looked up, it was smoking. It was right up there, then he flew past me and put it right there. They tried to put it out, wasn't nothing they was doing working. They opened the back end of it, that flame was all up top there. Somebody must do something in it. I don't know, something must have been in it. Hell yeah. I don't miss no live action. Oh, another fire truck coming. I don't know how the hell that happened, but he couldn't put, somebody tossed one water bottle up there. Somebody must have did something there. I bet you somebody dropped a cigarette over there. Somebody did something. Either something sparked up there and caught that trash on fire. Or some idiot dropped a cigarette over in there.
I know they were using a torch, but
a torch?
They were using a torch to get that trash inside.
The torch with the fire?
Yeah, they just want to show you the torch up there.
Oh, that's what did it then. That's what did it. The torch set it on fire. You can't, they tell us they can't even weld on our trailers with it loaded. They tell me to bring it back empty because they're afraid it's going to catch the trash on fire. Yeah, that's probably what did it. That's exactly what did it. Where you? Yeah. But it looked like it's been put out well. You heard that. They was working on it with a torch. That's probably what started the fire. I don't know what genius did that. You don't work on a loaded trash truck with a torch. Well, look like things, everything. They done got it out. I know they ain't dumping that back in there. I know they ain't dumping that trash back in there. They're gonna leave it right there, ain't they? So that stuff smolder out. another fire truck has arrived, but they got it out. But seems like the fire was started by a torch. They were working on the truck with a torch, which has a flame, and this trash truck was loaded. So more than likely that is what was the cause of the fire. Our trailers, we're told not to, if we got to do any welding, to bring the truck back in empty because they're afraid it might catch on fire. They don't do any welding on the truck with it loaded.
You on Facebook Live?
I'm on, no, not Facebook Live. I'm just recording on my phone, but I'm gonna load it on Facebook. Oh, he had everybody scrambling. I don't know what genius decided to work on a loaded trash truck with a torch, a lit torch. That's a flame. That's what did this then. That's what did it. Looks like they wrapping it up. Fire department assessing the thing. It's still smoldering. I know that trash ain't going nowhere. It'll be time for me to go in the pit the minute the other truck got loaded. Uh-oh. They're going to bring the ladder in. They got to go up there and see what's happening. Oh, it ain't over yet. Uh-oh, they're bringing the ladder in. It ain't over yet. They got to make sure it's out. Something's still smothering up there. Going up there, something still smothering. It ain't over yet. Dirty truck, and every now and then I like to bring a little live action to the OTR. This is local. This is trash truck on fire. Trash truck on fire. The fire more than likely was caused, according to someone here, that they were just working on this truck, said they had a torch, and more than likely that's what started it. Because our trailers, if it's filled with trash and we got to have welding done, they'll tell us to go get it empty and bring it back. You're really not supposed to weld on it or near the trash because they're afraid what happened here might happen. Because this is what it would cause. Doing any welding on a loaded trash truck will cause this. And more than likely that's what happened. When he said they had a torch, that's what did it. That's what did it. More than likely that's what did it. So whoever had, what idiot had the torch, was up there doing some welding work, some work on the truck while it was loaded, it caused all this. Running that water in there. Make sure it's put out. All right, this dirty truck and time for me to go get loaded. Peace out.